Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your post as your Instagram story without reposting that same post on your stories. It's really simple, so follow my step. First, go to your Instagram account. Now post a picture. I'm going to select this one and post it. Just select OK and your post has been updated. Now go to your profile by clicking the profile icon on bottom right corner and select that post, and you can see here the share button here. Click that share option here and you can see the option add post to your story. All you have to do, just click that and click OK here and click share and done. Now as you can see, my post is also on the story option. It's really simple, and that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next one.